The views, takes, and opinions expressed on this show are of the host's own and do not represent the views, takes, and opinions of the Main Event Mark, PWPH Wrestling Network and its affiliates. Material and sources mentioned in this episode is for general and commentary purposes only. This episode might include strong language and may not be suitable for children. Listener discretion is advised. Stay safe and stay wrestle everyone. Welcome to the Main Event Mark.
Eto na nga. Hi, this is Angelo from the Main Event Mark Podcast. You might not miss me, but some of you are. But we're back. Oh my god, I miss this shit, man. Okay, so let's talk about a few things muna going forward that I am going to do for a limited time until October 18. So that's DexCon Sari Sari Slam. So mabilisin na natin to kasi gusto ko lang straight up yung plano natin. This week on the podcast, I'm gonna do a full review of WrestlePalooza and AEW All Out, no? So, napanood ko siya. Yes. Lahat ng shows ng simula nung nagpahinga ako sa podcast na to is napanood ko. So, you guys have an idea on how or what I'm going to say when it comes to this type of shows. Hindi ko lang pinodcast kasi yun nga, ang hirap maging repetitive masyado eh. Sa totoo lang. Ang hirap maging repetitive, tapos in the end, you're going to tell the same thing that you're telling people for weeks and weeks and weeks. And of course, we don't want to repeat ourselves. Kasi every time I am repeating myself into this podcast, sabihin niya naman, masyado na naman akong bias sa WWE or sa AEW. No, I don't want that. I don't want that. Gusto ko lang maging fair. Gusto ko lang maging batas on how I review this tomfoolery of a show that we have. So, I'm going to state this since I'm going to do an in-depth review on both of the shows next couple of days from now. So, WrestlePalooza is underwhelming, no? Underwhelming for its first show on Netflix. That's very underwhelming for me. And All Out, for me, over-delivered mud show bullshit that I am expecting from Tony Khan. So, yes, I did not watch any AEW program except for pay-per-views kasi it doesn't feel important anymore compared to what it used to be. Since sinasabi ko naman dito palagi, I am a fan of AEW since day one and I don't want them to fail. Pero putang ina, wala na. Putang ina, wala na talaga sa ayos si Tony Khan. And yeah, that's the case there. We're going to dig dive on that. Bigyan nyo lang ako ng time. Pero ito, sa ngayon, ito muna ang programming natin moving forward. I'm not going to set a time frame or fixed program time. Basta, bibigyan nyo ako ng time. Bigyan nyo ako ng time mag-adjust about this, na? So, basta ang malinaw, every Monday, until October 18 sa DexCon Sari Sari Slam, is I am going to release an episode, fresh episode every week of latest wrestling news or latest wrestling bullshit that we have. Luckily, Bound for Glory is coming 2 weeks from now. Plus, meron ding Crown Jewel, so I can do a pre-show or post-show mortem after that. So, yeah, let's talk about it on social media ng podcast and also on Facebook, sa X, o sa iba pa mga social media platforms ng Main Event Mark, PWPH Wrestling Network or Studios, na nga pala, PWPH Studios, and also on our social media, PWPH Select. So, let's talk about it. Yeah, we did what we did. We also made a relaunch sorts of Pro Wrestling Philippines is now the mother name of Pro Wrestling Philippines Club. So it's no longer just merged as Pro Wrestling Philippines Club. It's now Pro Wrestling Philippines. It's still composed of 3 components. So that's Pro Wrestling Philippines Club, the PWPH Studios, our in-house wrestling conglomerate, and also the podcast, of course. PWPH Podcast, PWPH Community, and so forth and so forth. I can dive on why we rebranded the whole PWPH ecosystem in the next couple of episodes, but I'm not gonna do it now kasi gusto ko muna mag-mortem, at least 10-15 minutes mag-mortem lang ako, and then we can talk about the things that I missed or things that I not regretting missing, to be honest. Pero yan, every Monday is a new episode, no? Yun yung papangako ko sa inyo. And then, any time of the week, I can pocket recording at least 1 or 2 episodes of things that I missed. So, I'm just gonna call it a throwback series. So, please keep an eye on that. And then, yeah, catch back tayo sa mga, di na ako mag-ano ng mga weekly shows para lang heads upan ko lang kayo. So, ang gagawin ko na lang is Evolution. Hindi ko nagagawan yung Great American Bash. So, SummerSlam, Forbidden Door, I think, yeah, Clash at Paris, at saka yung, ayun nga, WrestlePalooza and All Out will be a fresh episode. So, fresh episode na silang dalawa. And then, yeah, let's talk about it. In a few moments from now, we will talk about that here on the podcast. So, again, sa mga naghahanap sa akin, thank you very much for looking at me. By the way, I am fine. I am sustainable fine. I am trying to survive this reality, and I hope sa mga nagrally dyan last week, tayo ay bulat na sa katotohanan ko. DDS ka pa rin ngayon, kung supporter ka pa rin ni Marcos, gumising ka na. Gumising ka na, putang ina. Mag-isip ka na habang hindi pa natutulog ang mulat, no? Mamulat ka na sa katotohanan. There's a time para mamulat ka. This is the perfect time na mamulat ka sa realidad when it comes to the Philippine politics. And yeah, we can talk about it in a few episodes. And yun na nga, ito muna schedule natin. So, every Monday, it should be a new episode. So, we can talk about things that I missed, things that I wanted to discuss in the future, or yung mga takes ko in a later setting when it comes to pro wrestling. And then, any time of the week, at least 1 or 2 episodes, I'm just going to do a throwback series until Sari Sari Slam. Since yun nga, limited series siya, I'm still going to be committed on doing on-demand content, like reviewing Dakila. I'm gonna do that too, and wasting my money. But then, committed na ako sa mga plano na yan. And kung magtutugma rin ng araw, baka mapanood din ako ng Puso Wrestling sa November 30 and FPW. But I am still trying to compress myself when it comes to financial, kasi nagpapagawa rin ako sa salamin. Baka magpagawa na rin ako ng bagong salamin, and that's how reality goes when it comes to that. And yes, personally na-miss ko to, pero I'm not gonna do any podcast gusto ko talaga ng kulang talaga sa akin tong setup ko ngayon. So, pagpaumanhin niyo ako. Bibili talaga ako nung console. I really need a console here. Just to play it out on how I do this content every week. So, after nun, you might notice a few changes. Then, with how I set up when it comes to this whole podcast, and yun, marami-rami pa akong i-discuss along the way. So, last thing to discuss. So, sabi ko nga, i-discuss ko, bakit nga ba ako nawala? Ano nga ba yung motivation ko? Ba't ako nagpahinga? So, this is a pretty long story, no? So, starting from All In, alam niyo naman na sobrang lumanla or naging whack lahat ng shows ng AEW. Not all, pero most of the time, 90% of their shows are fucking rotten. And that's the same as the WWE. WWE, in the other hand, is actually telling stories that has directions but doesn't have any consistency on how they are going to progress this type of stories. I love some of the stories, especially with the CM Punk, Seth Rollins thing, but sometimes storytelling is kinda too much. And yun nga, marami pa tayong i-dive along the way. We're going also to talk about Gail Kim and Dave Meltzer. Yet again, pumapatol na naman sa babae as usual. And yun, marami-rami tayong pag-uusapan in a fresh episode. So please stay tuned for that. And yun, marami-rami pa akong gustong i-share this type of stories, no? Marami-rami akong kailangan i-share sa inyo. Marami rin akong kailangan sabihin sa inyo when it comes to this type of content. Pero I'm gonna save it for a different episode. So I'm going to start the Monday tirade, by the way, next Monday. So bigyan nyo ako ng time, magre-refresh lang ako. Gusto ko lang mabata ko dito. Nagpapaamag lang ako ng sarili ko. Gusto ko, pagdating ng next Monday, consistent na ulit ako mag-podcast. And kung ma-appreciate yung ginagawa ko, I appreciate you too. So, thank you again for everyone who is supporting our local wrestling scene, by the way. And for everyone who is giving or exposing our wrestling scene in any way. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Hindi ko na kayo isa-isahin at napakadami nyo. Pero I appreciate everyone who is supporting our local scene and also supporting me or our group Wrestling Philippines for everything that we got for the past 3 months and also beyond. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. So this should be it for now. So it's just a pre-long on how we are going to move moving forward, kung ano yung gusto kong gawin for the next couple of weeks. Yes, this considered as a callback or comeback for the main event mark. I am just preparing for the longer episodes that I'm gonna talk about, or we're going to talk about in the next couple of episodes that I'm going to release and share with everyone who is listening or tuning in all throughout with this podcast. So, kung na-miss nyo ako, okay, thank you very much for supporting the show. Kung di nyo ako na-miss, bahala kayo sa buhay nyo. Hindi ko kayo kawalan at hindi ko rin kayo kailangan. I am only needing the true fans of professional wrestling in the Philippines at wala na pong iba yun kundi tayo lang din. So with that said, thank you for listening on this prolonged episode. I know I shared a few ideas on how our future episodes will go. Again, every Monday starting next week, we're going to have our prolonged episodes. So that's a new ones. And then any time of the week, I'm going to release a throwback episode reviewing shows that I missed until Sari-Sari Slam. So that's at least 2 weeks or 3 weeks of content that I'm going to do. So, follow the podcast on all of the social media platforms at Main Event Mark PW. Please follow Pro Wrestling Philippines on Facebook, X, Instagram, TikTok, and also on Patreon, patreon.com/PWPH Select. Please follow also our home here on the podcast. That's PWPH Studios at PWPH Studios, as in. So this is now the home of the Main Event Mark Midnight Thoughts. Di ko title ng podcast ni Andre, pasensya na. And the Mothership PWPH podcast that's coming back also later in October. Marami tayo pag-uusapan along the way regarding on that. So, yeah, please expect more content with Pro Wrestling Philippines and also Main Event Mark. We are also preparing for the annual PWPH Awards in 2026. So that's only 2 months away from now. The period natin when it comes to this determined period. So, yeah, we will give you moments or updates about that in the next couple of weeks. And I'm also going to share with you a few things that I need to share along the way here on the podcast. So thank you very much again for listening on the Main Event Mark. I didn't want to waste too much of your time. This is Angelo again from the Main Event Mark from PWPH Studios. Stay safe, stay wrestle. See you on the next episode of the pod. Goodbye for now.